you're tired of constantly trying to get viral videos and make money from them but can't even get the views, I have a solution for you. You see, the problem with viral content is that you rely on algorithm. You pray that the algorithm would push your video, but it never does. On top of that, they get a lot of views in a short period of time and then they completely die out. But what if you could create videos that don't rely on algorithm and instead keep getting views for years, every single day, generating you passive income? Take the video how to tie a tie as an example. Maybe you spent hours crafting a really good video that barely got any views, while this guy simply explained how to tie a tie and ended up with 81 million views. And the crazy part is that this video is still getting around 43,000 views every single day, despite being uploaded more than 10 years ago. The reason why is simple. People are searching for it. You don't need to rely on the YouTube algorithm. Instead, you rely on people actually looking for answers. Welcome to the world of YouTube search-based channels. This is where creators don't focus on chasing the algorithm, but instead look for what topics people are actually searching for and then upload simple videos about them. There are a lot of channels doing search-based content in different niches, and take this channel as an example. At first glance, it might look like his videos don't get many views, but actually these videos get consistent views every single day, because every day someone searched for these solutions, and years later these videos will have hundreds of thousands if not millions of views. Moreover, if you check his analytics right now, I do it with vidIQ extension, which you can download from the link in the description, you could see that he's pulling over 17 million views this month. And as a cherry on top, if you look at his lifetime view graph, you'll notice that it's very stable, with only a few small dips and almost always growing upwards. Not enough that, some of these channels make ridiculous amounts of money by applying clever strategies that I will show you later. From the views, it doesn't seem that they earn a lot, but it's actually much more deeper than just the revenue from the ad revenue. Let's figure out how to actually get views from search. Unlike the browse or suggested type videos, you don't need to rely on algorithm on these type of videos. You just need to know what people are searching for and how to rank number one in search results. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I and other people get views from search. The biggest mistake you can make when creating these types of videos is recording a video first and then trying to find keywords afterward. But that doesn't work. You need to find the best keywords first, and to do this you must understand two important factors. First is search volume. You need a big enough search volume, because if no one is typing your video topic into the search bar, you won't get views. Second is competition. How many videos already exist about that topic? If the competition is too high, there's good chance your video won't rank at the top. So here's how I personally find keywords like that. I use a website called vidIQ. Before we start, I just want to mention that this video is not sponsored by vidIQ and they didn't pay me anything upfront to show this app and how I use it. So after logging into vidIQ, go to the Discover and Keywords, and in the Search Keywords section, start by typing in a broad keyword related to your niche. Let's say my niche is AI, so I just type it and press enter. Here, as you can see, we have search volume, competition. Just look at the search volume, which is really great, 6.8 million searches. So ignore everything and go straight to the matching terms section. Here vidIQ will show you more specific keywords within that niche. Since so many videos already exist about AI in general, you won't rank first just by making a random AI video. But in the matching terms, you can find topics with much less competition and also see how many people are searching for them. For example, I found that free AI video generator performs well, so now I take this keyword, copy it and type it here again. Look at the matching terms once more. This gives me even more specific keywords about free AI video generator, and here I discovered best free AI video generator. Not only it has low competition, but it's rising in search. That's a really good sign. So I copy that keyword, go to YouTube and paste it into the search bar. Now to do this research properly, make sure that your vidIQ extension is turned on. You can download it through my link in the description. The extension is free and it will show you important metrics metrics like views per hour and the outlier score. Now, the actual keyword research tool is paid, but I know most people don't like paying before testing it. And to be honest, I don't either. But since I now have over 13,000 subscribers, I was able to reach out to vidIQ and get you a special deal only for $1 for your first month. So seriously, thank you for subscribing, because without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to make that deal happen. If you type this keyword and there are a bunch of channels with high sub counts, it will be hard to rank higher than they are ranking right now. To be honest, I think you already know that competing with huge channels is always harder. Second, look at the outlier score. This shows how many times better a video performed compared to that channel's previous videos. If the outlier score is big, it means that topic is really hot and worth making a video about. Third, and most importantly, check the views per hour. This tells you if people are still actively searching for and watching videos on that topic. If a video gets at least 10 views per hour, that's already good. For example, I found a channel with 26,000 subscribers and his video has 36x outlier, 48,000 views and 112 views per hour. That equals to about 3,000 views per day, 21,000 views per week and 90,000 views per month. But now comes the real question. How do you actually write your title and description so you can rank higher than your competitor? Always make sure that the full keyword people are searching for is in both your title and your description. In this example, our competitor doesn't have the keywords in the title, but as you can see, it has them in the description. If we put that keyword in both title and description, we instantly give ourselves a better chance to rank higher. Now, another thing that you should do is include related keywords in the description to rank for even more searches. For example, if we would look at the vidIQ matching keywords again, we could see that there are a lot of similar keywords like AI image to video generator free unlimited AI video generator, and so on. So take those keywords that still match your topic and include them naturally. Now you might think that's all you need, but there's more. Let's remember why videos actually get views. It's not only about keywords, it's because of good click-through rate and good average view duration. That means you need to make a clickable thumbnail and a video that really delivers exactly what people wanted. You don't need fancy editing, just give people the information they came for. And since you watched until this point, I'll give you one last tip to maximize the revenue from these type of videos. Relying only on ad revenue can get you decent income, as I showed you in the beginning. But what if you could turn that same traffic into paying customers? You don't even need your own product to do it. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. With affiliate marketing, you promote other products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Some creators do search-based tech content and drop Amazon links, others promote software and so on. And believe me, people are making ridiculous amounts of money just from affiliate links. Personally, I've made a few $100s through affiliate links, even without focusing on them. And honestly, that's amazing because it's extra money I earn just from recommending products I already use. There's a lot more I could say about affiliate marketing, so if you'd like me to create a separate video diving deeper into that, let me know in the comments. You've probably already noticed that I'm doing the same thing here. I have an affiliate link for vidIQ in the description. It's not a random link I'm spamming. I only share products I personally believe are good. For the record, vidIQ didn't pay me anything to make this video. I just reached out to get a special deal for you guys. So if you want to test vidIQ and support the channel at the same time, click the link in the description and try creating search-based content yourself.